let's have a think. As a landlord, what does the landlord want? Does the landlord's got his house on for rent. Does the landlord want rent? Does the landlord want hassle? Does the landlord want maintenance? Does the landlord want problems? Of course not. So what are you, as a rent-to-renter or a property entrepreneur, what value are you offering the landlord? Guaranteed rent. So you're giving him rent. That's a big deal for the landlord, because all the landlord wants is rent and no hassle. That's all he wants. So you're giving him rent. What else are you offering him? No voids. And you can literally start writing this down, because you need to, when you speak to the agents, you need to have this, your chest up. When you go to the viewings, chest up. And you're just going to go through it. You're just going to say, is it still available? Would it be okay if I ask some questions about the house? Ask some questions, maybe plan the questions beforehand. So you can just ask some questions, at least 3 questions, to create a pattern. And then you're going to book a viewing, and you're going to book it by saying, I'm really interested, I'd love to book a viewing. I'm not going to be living there myself. It's going to be a corporate let, but I'm free Tuesday, Thursday, which is best. And then you're going to zip it shut up. Are you going to be listing it on Airbnb? Because we've had that before, and we've always had problems. Oh, I'm really sorry you've had problems with people doing that. Yeah, we put it on Airbnb, and we always vet people well, and we have a professional company, and I'm part of a large organisation called the Property Investors Academy. Have you ever had it work out? Has it ever gone well? Or have you always had it go wrong? And I'm sorry to hear that, by the way. Oh, well, we haven't actually ever done it, but we've seen it on the TV and blah, 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 blah. Okay, well listen, I mean, I would love to look around the property, and it would be a corporate let, and I wouldn't put it on Airbnb. I mean, would it be possible for me to look around and we can have a conversation? And if you feel it being inappropriate, then that's fine. But I think, I've got a lot of very happy, lot of very happy landlords. Or my team has a lot of very happy landlords. Well, let me speak to our manager and get him to give you a call back. That'd be great. Here's my number. Thank you so much. I look forward to hearing soon. Guess what? Then what I do is I call somebody else. That's about as bad as it can go, folks. Like, there's no problem. You might be told, oh, we don't do that, no. Fine, just like somebody else. But when you get one of these deals, you only need one, you can make £500 to £1,000 a month. Sometimes a lot more. Like some of the guys from the, I don't even get it, but some of the people, some of our students from the academy are like, oh, I'm making 10 grand a month. I'm like, oh, well done. And I'm like, we've only been on the academy 3 months. And they're like, yeah, how many properties have you got? 3. What? 3? I make them go through their bank statements sometimes because it's just so unbelievable. You can make a lot of money doing this. So if it was just a case of picking up the phone, finding a deal, picking up the phone, talking and going through once to one agent and you make £1 grand a month, guess what? Every single person on the planet will do it. But because people are so afraid of being told no, the rejection feels so painful. It's like, ouch! They just told me that they don't do corporate lets. In school, they don't teach you about money, they also don't teach you about rejection. But in business, you've got to be prepared to be rejected. Your problem today is going to be, what? Rejected by agents. You're going to be told no. I'm really glad that that's going to happen. I want you to be told no, I want you to be rejected, because that's just part and parcel. It's called failing your way to success, or failing forward. Financial freedom is not that difficult. It isn't. It's not that big a deal. It's all we're talking here is 2, 3, 4 grand a month in property income. That is not hard. Being a millionaire is going to take a lot of time, it's going to take a lot of work. Being financially free is not. And the best things in life, the things that bring the most joy, the best things in life are free. They are. But they may as well cost the world if you haven't got the time to enjoy them. And getting just a few properties, being able to get out of a job, package and sell deals, it brings so much freedom. And then when you have that freedom and you can think for a minute from a position of abundance, when you can think for a minute from a position of I have time, I now have a bit of money to be able to put, suddenly it snowballs and it makes things a whole lot easier. So what happens next? So you go and view the house, then what? So you're in the house, you're looking around, how much time are you spending there? What do you do? What happens? Here's my advice, okay? Firstly, be really confident. Even if you don't feel it, When you're nervous and you're uncomfortable and you're just like, oh my gosh, it's my first ever viewing, believe me, they don't know. They don't know. And sometimes people on stage, like when Anthony gets on stage, or he used to anyway, he'd jump on stage, or Ricky, and they'd be like shaking before they go on stage, and like and I'm just going, you got this, you're okay? Okay, and they'd go on and they'd be really nervous, and then they'd come off like, I reckon I did, you did great. And no one, and they're like, do you tell I was nervous? No one knows. So don't ever apologise. Don't feel like when you go into a viewing, don't feel like, oh, I'm trying to do something dirty. You know, I'm here, I'm a bit of a naughty boy or naughty girl, and I'm trying to do this dodgy thing. And that's not how it is. Rent to rent is very, very legal. It's very, very ethical. So what I want you to think for a minute is, when you're going into the viewing, the biggest thing is your positioning and your stance and where you're, the place you're coming from. I want you to think for a minute about what value, because before you can sell, and believe me, you've got to sell. Sales is dirty. The sales is not dirty. Sales is just business. Everything is sales. Your job can only pay you because the company makes sales. Sales equals income. If you don't like sales, you don't like income.